In this video, we're gonna select one of these items from our list that we have put together from eBay and look for the item in the wholesale directory. I selected the very first item. It has a very high demand, as you can see. And the item is our heavy duty resistance bands, which are just basically items people use for working out. Instead of using weights, you can use these resistance bands and they work, just as well. So here we are in the worldwide brands directory. You can see that I already typed in under dropshippers and light bulk resistant bands. Now before you actually search, on the left hand side there's some filters. So you're going to want to, where it says supplier results, there's an option for dropshippers only or light bulk. We will select to show both. Where it says, where does it allow, we're going to select both eBay and Amazon and online store sales. So we're going to select all three. When it comes to supplier location, we only want USA suppliers only. And for browse by category, we're not going to select anything. So once you click in your keywords, resistance bands, hit search, and here are your results. And there are very few. Again, we're very specific, so we're looking for resistant bands. And that's probably why we only got very few suppliers. So the next step here is to go through each supplier and get some additional information. To do that, you're gonna click where it says see full details. So here you're gonna see information like the company name, the address. You're gonna find their website, their contact information, what shipping methods do they use. You're gonna see if they charge a drop shipping fee, which this supplier does charge a 15% fee. Now you're also going to see in the comments that this supplier does not allow eBay sales or Amazon sales. They do offer dropship service and they also offer light bulk. You can see what the brand name, pro source, the name of the company, and here you will see all the different product types that they carry. So you can see there's a big variety of different fitness and exercise products. So they do have a large variety, which is actually very, very good. Here is telling you that they do have minimum order quantities. So you have to spend at least $250. And here is some online account setup information if you want to set up, directly from here. Now, in this video, I'm not going to go into too much details on, what is the criteria to select a supplier. We're going to get to that video, but right now I just wanted to show you where to go and how to access and how to view the information for each supplier. And you do so by clicking here where you see full details. Right? So this is the second supplier. Again, same information. If we go down to their product types. You can see all the products that they offer, which again, the supplier has a very large variety, which is also good. Another thing to mention is that again, they don't work with eBay or Amazon sellers, and they do have a minimum order quantity of $100. On the next video, we'll get into more specifics on how to vet the supplier and what is a criteria required to make a decision whether or not the supplier is worth working with. But again, this is how you will search the supplier, and you will repeat the same step by going back to eBay and looking for another product and just doing the same thing over and over again. So right now we looked at resistance bands. Now there's different variations, so we don't have to keep looking for resistance bands. Maybe now we can look at a different product. So they have an example, a hand grip. So we can go back to what brands and type in hand grip. As you can see, there are some keywords that are coming back from the distributor search results. So maybe we can use some of the keywords that they have, make it more specific. So you can put resistance and hand grips, and then you click search. And because we were more specific, only this supplier came back. There were not any other results. But you can also notice that our search criteria here changed. So, you know, we want to search for eBay, we want to search for Amazon as well, and hit search. Right? And again, the only supplier for this particular item happens to be this one, Pro Source. So I think you get the idea. It's a matter of just, you know, identifying the product and then going back to the directory and looking up the information. On the next video, we'll get into more details about what makes a good wholesale supplier.